Morning, a brand new week for you, and starting it with some really beautiful suits in cotton in Chanderi. Now that's the whole theme, right? That's what we are all looking for, because हर दिन पहनने कुछ light चाहिए, you want some beauty but you want it really wearable. So the good thing is, I think lots and lots of options for you. In fact, that's what I was asking them. Below 12K, lot of them are below 12K, और I think almost 95% सिर्फ एक ही दो हैं जो उसके ऊपर है. So 12K and below, it's a great way to kind of wear these, enjoy these, lots of colors for you. And of course, weekend was filled with messages about our exhibition in Delhi. Yes, we are coming to Delhi on the 24th and the 25th of April. 2 दिन का exhibition है St. Claridge's पे, the Claridge's पे, not St. Claridge's, the Claridge's पे at Akbar Road. We are going to be there from 11 to 8, 2 full days, showing you lots of our beautiful pieces. कॉटन्स एंड जॉर्जेट्स एंड मूंगा सिल्क जरूर आएंगे, बट उसके साथ हमारे सिग्नेचर सिल्क लुक्स भी आएंगे. Categories which will be there are unstitched lehenga, unstitched suit, dupattas and fabrics. All of these 4. So जो मैचिंग कराने के लिए लाना है वो भी आप लेके आना. And of course, get ready to shop. Lots of beautiful pieces coming to you. Get your friends, family, get everybody along. We'll be there for you. Now, let's get started. Now, lots of wonderful colors in Chanderi is what I'm showing you. Now, I'm going to give you sabhi ka price, and what I'm going to give you is with plain bottom ka prices. But if you'd like, you can go for same on same. These are great looks for that. And, the cost also works out to be really good. Thank you so much. The cost still works out to be really good agar you're going to go for a same on same. Same on same ka ek hi maza, it just becomes a little more dressier and a very perfect coordinated look. Plain bottom look equally nice, and the price becomes a little more economical. So, that's the quest. Now, if this is the set that you're looking for, this is for 11,550. Now what you have in this, now I love the fact that there is this inherent woven stripes in it. There is this embroidery which is has just a touch of black, so really nice. 11,550. 2.5 meter 2.5 meter kurta and 2.5 meter plain chanderi bottom and the dupatta. अच्छा, एक चीज मुझे जरूर बोलनी है that lot of you have orders from last week and even from today that will be coming, and we are kind of really making them go very very fast, but we do have a backlog, huge backlog, because of Eid holiday, which which our carriers take once a year. So उसके वजह से थोड़ा सा backlog है, but yes, most of it will go out today, even if it was pending, including this. Now this is again all same 11,550. Look at the beautiful designs. So उसमें stripes था inherent feature. Now this one has a checkered design and a bird design. I think honestly I think it's going to look great as same on same. और अगर आप same on same करेंगे तो price change हो जाएगा. But as a plain bottom look, it is 11,550. Yes, you can take only the only the fabric or only the dupatta as well. It's an ensemble. You can take more, 6 meters, 5 meters, 2 meter, 3 meter. वो भी पॉसिबल है. मैं आपको एक स्टैंडर्ड 2.5 मीटर के हिसाब से I'm going to tell you the price. Now look at these again. This is a checkered design, same price 11,550, 2.5 meter plain bottom, and trying to kind of get more of these. Lots of options for you. सब light है, wearable है, and yes, we have a lot of shades in each one of these that you're seeing. बहुत सारे आएंगे. Hang on, keep checking and taking a screenshot and coming to us. The orders are open. We are also kind of working on it, so you can keep placing your order as you go along. Come on, take a screenshot and send it. Now I'm trying to open these and show it to you. अब that one main thing आता है lining का, that do you need a lining? See, my personal preference is sometimes I may skip a lining in chanderis, but like especially this one, this is all prints and weaving. इसमें कोई embroidery नहीं है. With embroidery you should use it, and even with embroidery, even with lining, even if it's a print, your life will be longer. But if you're not very concerned about that, then yes, it looks really good even without lining. So, and it's then very soft and wearable. अभी same price point चल रहा है. This is Kota silk, थोड़ा सा ये creamish है. We kind of dye it. So this just came and we wanted to show it to you immediately. तो कुछ में दुपट्टे were like they'll be dyed, but yes, that is that. And look at these. These are summer wearable pieces, really good. Now the next isme, so far I have done kota dupatta, but we can also do chanderi dupatta in any of these that you have seen with kota dupatta if that's what you prefer. I'm going to show you an example. Now that's an example of the chanderi cotton dupatta. अब इसके साथ that was 12,550, 11,550. इसका जो प्राइस है ये आ जाता है 11,150. So it's reduced even more. So chanderi cotton, if you want, then yeah, you can go for it. You can go for 5 meters, you can go for 2.5 meter plain bottom ke saath. The price is of course 11,150, and you can just take of course the fabric itself, dupatta set, lots of freedom and lots of options in that. Lots of beautiful colors for you to choose from. I love the fact that the colors of the birds, they have the 2 color tinge. Now this one is it's almost white actually, thoda sa grayish sa white hai. So what the dupatta also we are doing is that color. And many of these, if you're going specially for 5 meter plus dupatta, तो आज ही निकल जाएंगे, आज ही ship हो जाएंगे for a lot of them which are ready. If not, then they will probably take a day or so. I love this subtle combinations. Yes, without figures भी बहुत सारे हैं. So hang on. Yes, right now we're doing a lot of figure ones, and then we're going to be doing a lot without figures also. Both our options are there. Now this one, really cool, really nice. Look at that with a touch of green. Sabhi ka base chanderi hai, so that's the thing. All of the bases are chanderi. And I've done a yellow. You can go for a base as well if that's what you prefer, but it really picks up the whole look, as you can say. Abhi jab ye sare chanderi wale hain, so I'll tell you the ones without the chanderi wale matlab figures wale, and I'll tell you the moment we go for without figures. And yes, lots of lovely collection launching each day for you. And is piece ka, because now this dupatta I've changed, it will be 14,750, because this is the dupatta with it. It's 14,750. If you want the kota or the chanderi cotton one, that too can be done, and I'll show you how soft it is. So very soft. Look at that. Also really good. Very soft. That's the fabric for you. No figures in this one. Take a screenshot and head away straight to place your order. Beach mein, I want to show these dupattas to you, and let's show you. Now look at that. Here it is. This is, I love this one. It's such a nice cream color and no figures again. Isme thoda sa touch of blue and cream hai. Look at the fabric. It's absolutely fabulous. और इसका जो price आता है वही 11,150. That's the price that we are on. What a nice cool look for the season. I think बहुत सुंदर है. And you could do a blue dupatta even if you like, so that can be done. And look at that, really nice. Now COD guys, for such kind of collection you will need a token of 2,500-3,000, and also very good for you to kind of try these looks. Now look at that, that's a wonderful, again a new color. Now let's change the variety. Let's do this one that's behind you. Okay, एक color रह गया वो करके let's do that. Now here it is. This one, this is again the same price, 11,150 for the full set. So you can choose from many of these options. Okay, now this is going to be a fast moving one. We are not going to probably put out a picture of all of these. Live हम कर रहे हैं. What we will do is, we will probably, if you ask us, we will send you the pictures that we have. So that we can do. But the best way, of course, is to see them in like live. What a nice color and a combination. I love this. And is this also 11,150? So this is also 11,150. So wearable. Plain bottom le, 3 meter kurta le, 5 meter kurta le, ensemble hai. So lots of freedom for you to play with. Now, a dupatta that I absolutely love, and I'm going to show it to you very gently, is this. Organza in tissue with these very cool figures. So you're going to wear a black suit and then you're going to wear this. It's going to look fabulous there. Less with dupattas, and it's not very wide, which is good because then you can really wear it. A lot of you requesting for that. Super cool dupattas. Tissue ka hai, scallop hai, less weight, less length. Very sleek dupattas. 7,400. And I'm going to now just show you the color options in this. Now this one is with gold. Look at that, how amazing that is. With gold. and this embroidery, and this also again it comes with figure and without figure. We have both the designs, and very cool. You know, I love the whole effect of it. So you can just wear it on a nice plain kurta, and it's bound to look amazing. Now that's your next one. So look at that. Here it is. This one. Now this one, like, I'm just trying to see. There's no there's a bird in this one, but the second one had nothing. This is white and silver, and this really cool embroidery. Check them out. Very quickly showing you all the options that are there. ये सभी single है, so you know, yeah, 7,400. All of these singles. A floral one, you're wearing a nice white kurta, or even in a contrast. मुझे लगता है they look really nice, and you can just go for it with something that you have. If we were to kind of show you, we could of course show tissue, but I would say इसके साथ आप चंदेरी पहनो, it look nicer. Now this one again, bird motif, very cool dupatta, scallop, lightweight dupatta, and you know, this gorgeous tissue border. That is what makes the whole difference. Now only I think 2 designs which are in black and white, and this is one of them. Again, this is a bird one. So this is just very few designs in me. You know, you have black and white, and this is one of them. So these are 7,400 gorgeous pieces to quickly dress up and make a different look. Now this one too, this is the last one that we have, and yes, if you're particular about figures, just ask us, we'll let you know. Now we are coming out with the next range which we have, and these are lots and lots of colors. मैं इसको खोल के दिखाती हूँ, probably I'll refresh your memory. This was there, and these you have loved. 12,275, that's what it is. And embroidery, there is Mukesh, it is all in the chanderi, and it's just fabulous. The colors, बहुत सारे colors है. मैं जो आपको 12,275 बता रही हूँ, I'm telling you with the chanderi cotton dupatta. In case it's with kota, then थोड़ा सा बढ़ जाएगा, you know, probably like 400 more. So now 12,275, lots of colors, incredibly soft. Go and pick whichever color you want. Now अच्छा, ये वाला एक है जिसका, now what we've done with this one, we've done a shaded dupatta. तो इसका price आता है 13,575. Let me just show it to you. Oh, look at that, what a gorgeous color. Now with this, I just kind of decided to kind of take things a little bit higher and, you know, just make it a little more fun. So this one is a little 13,375. So इसका 13,575. So because this is with you know, this kota shaded dupatta, what a perfect combination. और fabric सिर्फ कितने का है? If fabric you are going for 2,200 per meter. 2,650. अच्छा, 2,650 per meter, guys. 2,650 per meter. These are, look at that. So if you're going just for fabric, then you can do that also. 2,650 per meter. And here it is. This very soft pastel, just what you need for summers. Both incredible colors. Look at that, really nice. Now you've seen the soft ones and you say, yeah, मुझे तो dark one चाहिए, then we'll get that also for you. So yeah, these are 2,650 per meter, and look at that, what an impact of these beautiful colors. Sub self में है, very subtle, really good. And look at this. So separately, if I were to tell you, this is 3,200 dupatta, this is 2,650 per meter, and plain bottom is 980 per meter. So that's the maths that we are doing when we tell you that the price for this one is 12,275. And some more colors. Oh my god, I love this. It's a, you know, such a dark shade of pink, you know, which is really rare. Look at that. I think it's so wonderfully done. That's what the whole point is. And this design, beautiful. So thoda sa purple ka touch है, like a jamun color, but it's actually a pink, and it's, I think, beautiful. Look at that. This make lots of soft kalis. See, I am giving you a price for 2.5 meter and 2.5 meter, but truly this fabric is something you should go for, like lot of kali. So अगर 5 meter दुपट्टा करते हैं तो कितना आएगा, and then 2.5 meter bottom. So like 5 meters for your kurta, for a nice soft kali kurta, 2.5 meter for your plain bottom, and then one this chanderi this. तो भी price 18,900 आता है, you know. So which means I'm saying 5 meter of this for your kurta, soft pleats, from shoulder kalis, from side kalis, you know, you can do even these self piping with it. Very beautiful, nice one, very gorgeous outfit. 18,900 or something. plus whatever you'll spend on stitching, but you have a very pretty outfit. Now this particular one comes because इसमें quota silk है, this becomes 12,675, so that's the difference. You can choose for Chanderi cotton. इसका color थोड़ा सा अलग है, we'll dye it for you and give it to you. Quickly showing you the colors that are there, and yes, the orders are open. Go and find your color and your piece and your style and your meter also. एक मीटर भी तो मिलना, because you know a lot of time then you say यार मुझे तो इतना मीटर चाहिए था, and then we say यार you know we don't have enough. So there you go, here it is, and this is, I think, you know, after this let's also do the moha and the linens. I'll also show you some our hot popular ones. Look at that. इसका मैं ऐसे ही दिखा देती हूँ. Just show me. This is a lemonish yellow, and इसका दुपट्टा I'm just showing you for reference. It'll have to be dyed, but it's a nice, again, creamish color, you know. And the beautiful thing about these is that you dress this up, थोड़ा सा पहनो, you know, you can wear something, you know, you can accessorize it really well with very cool stuff. You can do, you know, silver, antique, vintage, you can do gold, you can do pearls, you know, depending on what is your look, how is it that you want to make it. Now इसके साथ मेरे पास दुपट्टा रेडी नहीं है. I'm showing you two colors which are there. 2650 Mukesh embroidery Chanderi cotton, even gold zari at the border. Make sure that you use it. Buy them by the fabric, buy them at many meters as you want, or buy them as a set. All of those options are there for you. Now these are the last colors in this particular design. Next up, what we're going to do is linen. Now why I'm showing you, because many of you requested कि यार हमें same on same देखना है. Of course, this is one motive which is available. This is so all of our range today is at, you know, 14,000, but this is a premium range. We wanted to just bring it to you to kind of make that whole cotton experience complete. तो और भी options है हमारे पास at 14,000 below में, but in between I'm just obstructing it to show you this gorgeous white on white 18,800. This is 4,800 per meter, I think, the only time. So it comes out to be 33,250. 5 meter? नहीं, 2.5 meter plain bottom and dupatta 33,250. Very dressy linen Sona Rupa Karwa. And now I will show you कि ये कैसे दिखते हैं dye होके. 5 meters plus dupatta, if I can have the mats. And yes, we always recommend now. That's a perfect combination. 5 meter plus dupatta, 42,800. You have a very stylish hand woven linen. And yes, just look at the perfection. पूरा color coordinated है, पूरा ready है to ship होने के लिए. So that's your green. Now the next one I'm going to show you, that's a shade of pink. Also very pretty. Look at that. And 5 meters है दोनों ही. तो आज ही ship हो जाएगा, and it's something like, this is a speciality. Linen, Karwa Buta, Sona Zari. This is Sona Rupa Zari, and they look so perfect together. Go for a full outfit, wear this dupatta. Classiness on another level. Okay, so there you go. And now we're going to go to a different variety. I love this green. It is such a beautiful, you know, it's almost like a sage green. Now look at that. Heavy embroidery on it, and really flowy, really soft, just perfect for anarkali. But what I'm giving you the prices. So now I'll show you also dupatta, which was looking so classy with it. We had to, you know, kind of upgrade our combination. Look at that. This is our organza scallop dupatta. This fabric, अगर 2.5 meter ये ले दुपट्टा ले और plain bottom, तो 17,000 आता है. But if you ask me, you should go for a 5 meter look with this dupatta and plain bottom, or you can just go floor length and you don't want anything, like you can wear any bottom. But I think 5 meter plus dupatta plus 5 meter plus dupatta is this okay. And like, let's add the bottom also. So that I'll tell you the match for that. 23,250. इसका 5 meter for your soft anarkali. इसका दुपट्टा and 2.5 meter plain chanderi bottom. So what an incredible look. 23,000 you have something which is very dressy. Now इसी का एक softer version, and मतलब both are really, I mean, किसको compare? Like, you know, you're very difficult to compare. But now look at it. This is all gold. That's the beauty. 19,500. This is the beauty of it. 2.5 meter dupatta. And I think it looks so rich. Let's do the 5 meter. Will it be the same? थोड़ा सा अलग हो जाएगा. So I'll also give you a 5 meter plus dupatta. Just look at this. This fabric 2500 per meter. So pretty chanderi with gold zari. This is 5 meter plus dupatta, comes out to be 23,300. But look at the beauty, a white and gold heaven, you know, it's just so perfect together. And yes, 10,800. This dupatta qualifies for free tassels all this month. So any new pieces that you're getting this month, which are dupattas 10,000 and above, then you can get free tassels. So you can do heavy gold, you know, the regular what we do, the gold tassels with it, which are very nice in fact. So gold tassels iske saath aap lagao, and then you wear this as your complete lots of volume piece, and I think it will look absolutely amazing. Now इसी का एक और version, but now this one is very different this way. One sec. So now let me just show it to you. All of these are for now big pieces and rolls, and yes, you should go for it fast. This is a combination that goes incredibly fast. 11,900 2.5 meter plain dupatta, this and plain bottom, and that is, you know, yes, and you can go for a white look also, but I think it looks very pretty with this peach. So really superb. Couple of last looks that we are going for, and we can just show it to you very quickly. Now this one, super cool. You're looking for outfits, you're looking for cords, you're looking for dresses, summer dresses, but you want that textile, you know, Indian textile beauty, then look at that. It's such a cool one. 11,900 for 2.5 meter. There's a koala, there's a sheep, there's a bird. It's absolutely fun, and so much, you know, really touch of green, blue, and all of those things. I think it's incredibly fun. Something you must try definitely. Aaj ka life aisa hai, you go for one suit, you go for 5 suits, you have so many options to choose from. Now look at this one. I think it's super pretty. Here it is. This one very nice. So इसी का एक और color है मेरे पास. Now look at that. I'm just showing it to you. All the motifs very cool. And guys, don't wait too much for the pictures. Why I'm opening each one of these and showing it to you, so that आप अच्छे से इसको देख पाएं. And go and place your order now. ये है ultimately इतना ही. So you 2 cuts and then it's gone. And again this one, yay. Now again similar design, but इसमें क्या है? इसमें there's a speck of green, there's a speck of red and light blue, and just lot of fun. And इसके साथ I'll show you. You can go all black, but I'll also show you. Look at that, so cool. That you can also go green. That's the green look, matching the green embroidery. You can go for the mustard look. That's also an option. So ये भी बहुत सुंदर है. Look at that. You can go for that. You can go all black also. So ये भी option है. You can go all black. ये black color का, but we'll dye it if you say. And so it's like a very dark black blue, but बहुत सुंदर है. Bite by the meter, make for full length. As I said, this is something that will go like this. So go and find your piece now. And okay, now I'm going to show you this one. Now look at that. Here it is. ये एक अलग चीज आ गई बीच में. Now this is a premium cotton, and it's no zari, no speck of zari. Big, bold, just the color for the season. 16150 for the kurta plain bottom and the dupatta. And again, something really good. You can go all in all, make a really nice full complete look with it. I think it's absolutely fun. Dupatta mein just reference ke liye dikha rahi hu. It will be softer pink, but yes, it's so beautiful. Look at that, no zari in it. So such wonderful combination. Let's do the ye 3 munga. I wanted to show you in between 3 munga silk fabrics which we had. Back throw, I don't want to get it bad in between the light. So yeah, so we had shown these, and then we never got a chance to show them in live, so I thought I'd just show it to you. Munga silk. Now you know what, per meter 7,200 per meter, but if I do a kota, a chanderi cotton dupatta with it and a plain chanderi cotton bottom, इस beautiful piece के साथ जो full cost आता है set का 2.5 meter with 2.5 meter bottom, and a plain chanderi cotton like this kind of a dupatta that I've been showing you. If I dyed in any of these colors, it comes out to be 23,650. So what a good price. Now next I will show you. Of course you can go for a munga bottom, तो वो 6125 का bottom है 2.5 meter, फिर 7,200 का ये. but 23 6 something you have a full 3-piece set 650 like this set. Now I'll show you exactly kaisa rahega ye kapda. This is one another color. So it's all about creating looks, and this season, and I've been saying it all of this year. Ouch. Did I just move it? This is what happens. Yeah, this is what this is what I've been saying all of this year, that is season, go for a complete look, because when you go for a complete look, you'll be able to wear it immediately. There's no need for you to keep it in your wardrobe, wondering ki main kya match karu, bottom, kurta or dupatta, whatever. Now look at that, 23,650, this Meenakari, very premium fabric in Munga. This dupatta in Chanderi cotton. Now you can have it in any other color of the Meena. In this one I'm going for the mustard, and a plain Chanderi cotton in the base color or in this contrast color. It's a really, really nice, set to have in your wardrobe. So it's wonderful. Now with this, I'll show you the pink as well. And we have lots, 3 of these colors to choose from. Each set 23,650 with a Chanderi bottom. If you want a Munga bottom, surely we can do that. Now look at that, so pretty. Because itna dressy hai na, all you need is a light dupatta. You don't need much with it. So that's why I've done this, and a bottom. Bottom is okay, you can take Munga, but price बढ़ जाएगा, like about 4,000 or so. But in 23,650, full premium Meenakari suit set. It's gorgeous. Now the last category of today, this is 2,800 per meter. Now this has zari weaving, it has embroidery, it has print, it has just about everything. So summer outfits, summer lehengas, even, but as a suit set 13,050. This is the dupatta in kota and plain bottom hoega isme. And this, of course, the blue thoda sa alag hai. We will dye it for you. So what I'm saying is that really nice summer looks, pura full suit set. Look at that. And now you say, I want a long dress, I want to make something like a, a dress, or I want to go for even a skirt and a top. It's such a nice fabric to have. The base is Chanderi, there is embroidery, there is print, there is weaving. Sab kuch hai. A full set 13,050. I have color options, which I'm going to show you. So I have, oh, look at that. That's also very cool. With prints, weaving, embroidery, all of it for you. With this light dupatta. Full look 13,050, and I think it looks damn pretty. एक और color है मेरे पास इसी में, which is the blue. Now look at that. Here it is, the blue color. So fresh, each one of these. Sorry, 12,650, right? This one. अच्छा, with Chanderi cotton अगर मैं करती हूँ दुपट्टा, so I gave you first 13,050, something like that, which was with Kota silk. Now I'm even bringing it down to 12,650 with plain bottom. And this, and look at that, you can go for blue dupatta if you say, but I like the pink, it looks good. One more for you to go for is this one. Just see, buy it by the meter. Ye fabric hai 2,800 per meter. Jitna kharidna hai kharide. It's such a good to try different things. 12,650 is what you're looking at in this one. Now this is such a perfect combination. Look at it, absolutely perfect. Bang on. Summer suits have never been more fun, and just trying them with us. I know with a ball buzz hai, guys. So okay, now question on what are you going to be bringing to Delhi? We'll bring all of this. Abhi jo available hoga, I will bring it, right? But of course, having said that, we always have a vast collection, so you don't have to worry. मुझे कुछ मिलेगा कि नहीं? Silks रहेंगे, cotton रहेंगे, मूंगा रहेंगे, fabrics रहेगा, suit रहेगा, unstitched दुपट्टा, unstitched suit. बहुत variety है. But yeah, for all of you online, now if this is the moment and you're thinking, yeah, मैं सोच के, let me buy this, there's no time. You should go for the pieces that you've seen now. Some incredible Georgette suits released, last week, 34,800 full looks. That is also something that you should go for. And then what have we launched? We have launched some nice dupattas, just general really good pieces, जो सब है. बहुत कुछ उसमें, of course, most of it will go to Delhi, whatever is available. So, that is always there. But now is the moment to grab your piece and find your favorite one. And even Delhi, guys, you thinking, यार ये आएगा फिर पता चला आया नहीं, मतलब stock नहीं रहा. That's why. But of course, बहुत कुछ है, बहुत कुछ आएगा. But if you really want something specifically, you should go for it now. And look at this. This is a beautiful one. This is 12,650 for a full set. There is a bird, there's an eagle, two types of bird motif. It's so soft. This pure Chanderi dupatta, it's so perfect. For 2.5 meter, go for it. Go for 5 meter, take the calculations. Yes, so that was all about today. Mondays, may your Monday be as fresh as sunflowers, and hope you have a great week ahead. We're really excited with all that is happening. Come on WhatsApp, place your order now, guys. Don't miss. Bye.